which is the best. And as we lift our eyes to the east, we see that land flowing with milk and honey. Big ship is sailing home, so come along, come along, come along. Brothers and sisters going home, we are aware and prepared now that time is here. So Africa, here we come, we're trotting to our father's land. Oh God, Africa, here we come, we're trotting to the promised land. Everyone know Africa, here we come, we're trotting to our father's land. Oh God, Africa, here we come, we're trotting to the promised land. Whoa, whoa, whoa. We are the rightful owners. We're gonna trample it like a soldier. We're crossing all different borders, arriving at our final destination, Ethiopia, home mother of civilization. We're tired of all this persecution. Welcome us home with love and grace. Oh mama Africa, we see that smile on your face. Africa, here we come, we're trotting to our father's land. Oh God, Africa, here we come, we're trotting to the promised land. Everyone know Africa, here we come, we're trotting to our father's land. Oh God, Africa, here we come, we're trotting to the promised land. Whoa, whoa, whoa. My Africa, oh God.
Shout it out loud, yeah. Where is the blind paradise? This one is for our people, yeah. Gonna shout it out loud. Shout it out loud, yeah. Where is the black man's paradise that Marcus Garvey fought for yesterday? And we're still fighting for today, yeah. Where is the black man's paradise that Bob Marley fought for yesterday? And we're still fighting for today, yeah. Where is the black man's paradise Martin Luther King fought for yesterday? And we're still fighting for today, yeah. This may be harsh to say, but we're living in a white world. It's a statement that many fear to say, but Jah is our protector and we fear not to say. It's a prejudice world, yeah, it's a prejudice world. Where is the black man's paradise Malcolm X fought for yesterday? And we're still fighting for today, yes, yeah. Where is the black man's paradise? Nyabingi elders fought for yesterday, and we're still fighting for today, yeah. It's their unity in their philosophy that gives them superiority, calling us minority, and in their heart they know we're the majority. It's a prejudice world, yeah, in a prejudice world. Where is the black man's paradise? Harriet Tubman fought for yesterday, and we're still fighting for today, yes, yeah. Where is the black man's paradise? Sister Nanny fought for yesterday, and we're still fighting for today, yeah. Take a moment to sit down and meditate. History will recall everything we convey. I hope the message in this song will provide the strength we need to shout it out aloud. It's a prejudice world, yeah, prejudice world, yeah. Where is the black man's paradise? Nelson Mandela fights for today. Louis Farrakhan fights for today, yes, yeah. Where is the black man's paradise?
Rastafari come, oh Lord. in Rastafari is the way to salvation. In us is cherishing and he will never depart. Lazy man shall not eat, by the sweat of your brow you'll eat bread. Man without self-confidence is twice defeated in this race of life. So I repeat, oh Lord, knowledge is the way to survival. And I say food is the stone of life. And Rastafari is the way to salvation. And I say cherish him and he will never depart. Knowledge is the way to survival. And that's it, food is the stone of life. Jaja is the way to salvation. I say cherish him and he will never depart. Oh, knowledge is the root of survival. Survival. Food is the stuff of life. Knowledge is the root of survival. Food is the stuff of life. Lazy man shall not eat, by the sweat of your brow you'll eat bread. One without self-confidence is twice defeated in this race of life. Rastafari is salvation. Cherish it, and it will never in a jailhouse. No way, no way.
We don't wanna be in a jail.
Right up, get to you.
Jailhouse. We don't wanna be in a jailhouse.
Flattering leaks and allegation have been spreading across the nation about my problems that are before, oh Lord, and my enemies are rejoicing. Fans and friends are wondering what's happening to a man of truth and rights. I see my life going down to the captive of hell, so my soul would have to rebel just to set the flesh of men free. Oh Lord, within a queen my life was taken away. 11 days in a captivity. I've got to make the best of my reaction and tell the youth, jailhouse is not the place you wanna be. Jailhouse is not the place for you. Oh me, jailhouse is not the place you wanna be. Jailhouse is not the place for you. Oh me. After days of experience down in a jailhouse,
no pretty at all.
the situation makes my heart wanna cry out. Too much teenage related got shooting in a jailhouse, and you would wonder where they get money to buy the guns to leak each other brains out. But I don't wanna see the youth at penitentiary. Don't wanna see the youth at Tambrin Farm. I don't wanna see the youth down at sexual alone in a remand. I so must learn. Plant some food and make it big, you juggling. That is only one way to keep yourself out of trouble. And tell the youth, jailhouse is not the place you wanna be. Jailhouse is not the place for you or me. Jailhouse is not the place you wanna be. Jailhouse is not the place for you or me. No way. Pleading to the youths, stay far from jailhouse. It's not good. 'Cause I've seen gunmen and murderers. I've seen robbers and thieves. And I've seen child molesters down in a jailhouse. And I've seen lawyers and doctors. I've seen even police officers. Innocent faces, they all down there in a jailhouse. Tell the youth them, stay away. It's not the place you wanna be. Jailhouse is not the place for you or me. Jailhouse is not the place you wanna be.
Righteousness knows what life is worth. Sing now, Jah children, sing. Bless your hearts with your love from within. And no matter how the wicked men fight, what's right will play your bongo bingy man, play reggae music all day. And the meek shall inherit the earth. Righteousness knows what life is worth. Sing now, Jah children, sing. Bless your hearts with your love from within. And no matter how the wicked men fight, what's right will endure in Jah's sight. You see, great is the God of our fathers, worthy is he to be praised. Glory to the one that was chosen, reigning from ancients of days. I wonder what the wicked gonna do. There is nowhere else to run to, and everyone will be paid according to the work they have done too. Only the fittest of the fittest shall survive. Only Jah mercy can keep us alive. And there's no doubt in my heart that we can repart to His saving grace. Great is the God of our fathers, worthy is He to be praised. Glory to the one that was chosen, reigning from ancient of days. Lift up your heads now, fallen soldiers. Let your love and His blessings come over. And the sons and the daughters will start to unite, 'cause it's right in Jah's sight. Strength is given to the weak and the humble, while before Him wickedness tremble. Seek your love and His mercy, your children and their children will see the light. Great is the God of our fathers, worthy is He to be praised. Glory to the one that was chosen, reigning from ancients of days. Play your bongo bingy man, play reggae music all day. And the meek shall inherit the earth. Righteousness knows what life is worth. Sing now, Jah children, sing. Bless your hearts with your love from within. And no matter how the wicked men fight, what's right will endure in Jah's sight. Great is the God of our fathers, worthy is He to be praised. Glory to the one that was chosen, reigning from ancients of days. Jah love and His mercy reigns forever. Yeah, 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 yeah. Jah love, na 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 na. Gonna show them now. No, 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 no. They told me you were gonna let me down. We're gonna show them now. Love is gonna show them now. Gonna show them now. No, 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 no. They told me you were gonna let me down. Told me that you played around with every single guy in town. But one thing they don't know, how much I love you so. Woman of my destiny, Empress so right for me. Now, now, people saying we were never meant to be. Yeah. But I get to stand and see the blessings of His Majesty. Now, now, the way you stood your ground, you turned my life around. Woman of my destiny, Empress so right for me. I see you as the greater part of me now, for all to see, living in harmony. Though they try to put you down, you'll always wear my crown. Woman of my destiny, everything is right for me. Now, now, I see them with their phony smiling faces. They better get away from me. Why won't they let us be? Deceivers are trying to infiltrate. Yeah. Soon they'll have to dissipate, 'cause what we have is really great, baby. Love is gonna show them now. Yes, we're gonna show them how. Na 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 na. They told me you were gonna let me down. Yeah. Told me how you played around with every single guy in town. But one thing they don't know, how much I love you so. Woman of my destiny, Empress so right for me. You know they're saying we were never meant to be, but I get to stand and see the blessings of His Majesty. Now, now, where you stood your ground, you turned my life around. Woman of my destiny, the Empress so right for me. Now, now, I see you as the greater part of me, baby, for all to see, living in harmony. Though they try to put you down, you will always wear my crown. Woman of my destiny, everything is right for me. Now, now, we're gonna show them now. You know we're gonna show them now, baby. We're gonna show them now. No, 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 no. You know we're gonna show them how. Woman of my destiny, don't say you love me because you see my money. Na 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 na. Yeah. Don't say you love me when you see my money. Hey, hey. Don't say you want me when you see my money. Nah, nah. Don't say I am the cutest little angel from above. It's true. It's true. It's true. I know it's true. Don't say we'll be together when you see my money. love is forever. When you see my money, don't say I am the cutest little angel from above. It's true, it's true, it's true, I know it's true. Don't say you love me when you see my see my money, yeah. Don't say you need me when you see my you see my money, yeah. Don't say your problems are over, yeah. When you see my money, yeah. Don't say we'll be together. When you see my money, yeah. Don't say I am the cutest little angel from above. It's true, it's true, it's true, I know it's true. Don't say you love me soon as you've seen my money. Don't say love is forever when you see my money, yeah. Don't say I am the cutest little angel from above. It's true, it's true, it's true, I know it's true. Hey. Don't say you love me when you see my see my money, hey. Don't say
no time to linger, got to be your lover. No time to linger, no time to linger, got to be your lover. Got what you require, love and happiness. Give me the answer for the question I asked. No time to linger, it will surely last. You've got a crush on me, I know, going crazy for me. Obstacles standing in your way won't let you be. People watching every move you make, all the steps you take. Wait that I need you, babe, can't take a break. No time to linger, got to be your lover. Got what you require, love and happiness. Give me the answer for the question I asked. No time to linger, it will surely last. I love you, you know, can't afford to let this feeling go. I'll give you my all, answer to your every call. We could build a chemistry, love to last for a lifetime. Have a little family, please be mine. Oh, baby, hey, please be mine.
got a crush on me, I know. Crazy for me. Obstacles standing in your way won't let you be. People watching every move you make, all the steps you take. Oh, I'm needing you. Can't give you a break. No time to linger. Got to be your lover. Got what you require. Love and happiness. Give me the answer for the question I ask. No time to linger. Oh, this love will last. No time, no. I love you. I can't wait another minute. I need you. No time to linger.
Come with me, my love, to the sea of love. I wanna tell you how much I love you. Do you remember the time we met? That's the day I know I won't forget it. I wanna tell you how much I love you.
I can't, no, I can't. Every time I think of saying goodbye, everything inside me says it's a lie. So I can't, no, I can't, no, I can't. Yes. Yes, you've been with me right through the rough, and you never said I had enough. So I can't, no, I can't, no, I can't. Hey, honey, I'd like to repay you for damages done. I know I won't be able to repair it all, 'cause I lost count. And with all the time you've been hurting, you're still so fine, and it's blowing my mind. I know I should pack and walk away and leave you nothing to remind, but I can't. Oh, I can't. No, I can't. No, honey, no.
Just wish I was man enough to come out and say it to you. You know?
Like to repay you for damages done. I know I won't be able to repair it all, 'cause I lost count. And with all the time I see you hurting, you're still so fine, and it's blowing my mind. I should pack my things and walk away and leave you nothing to remind, but I can't. No, I can't. No, I can't. Every time I think of saying goodbye, everything inside me says it's a lie. So I can't. No, I can't. No, I can't. Hey, baby, 'cause you've been with me right through
good when you're wrapped up in my arms, dancing to a reggae song. Feel good, feel good. I feel good, 'cause your perfume isn't loud, and only I can talk about. Feel good, feel good. You feel like velvet rubbing over my skin, and when your hair dances under my chin, I wish we were alone, baby, just the two of us. Yes, every move you make gives me a rush. Oh, oh. Wine some more and show me that love unconditionally. Make believe we're alone, just you and me. Take the problems, leave them behind. Don't let it show. Go, baby, go, baby, go, baby, go, baby, go. I feel good when you're wrapped up in my arms, dancing to a reggae song. Feel good, feel good. I feel good, 'cause your perfume isn't loud, that only I can talk about. Feel good, feel good. Oh, yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, what a vibe, what a vibe, what a vibe. What a night, what a night, what a night, yes, what a night. Yeah, I'd love to wipe the sweat off of your face, but it looks so good I might have to replace. This moment is magic, so I leave it alone until you say, honey, time to go home. Oh, oh, oh. Wine some more and show me that love unconditionally. Make believe we're alone, just you and me. Take the problems, leave them behind. Don't let it show. Go, baby, go, baby, go, baby, go, baby, go. I feel good when I'm wrapped up in your arms, dancing to a reggae song. Feel good, feel good. I feel good, 'cause your perfume isn't loud, that only I can talk about. Feel good, yeah.
It's been one way from wine. System my bunks and the vibes of flow. Ain't nothing like good.
It's over evil. War is not the answer, 'cause only love can conquer. Right now, rhythm well I.
Dancing and chilling sometime, sipping on main red wine. System my bunks and the vibes of flow. Ain't nothing like good old dancehall vibes, where the music is just as sweet as the wine, and folks will sing to every line. Always that one song that stays on your mind. Yeah, now I'm gonna pick up the phone, holler at a friend. Gotta share this with someone. Was one of them nights, no special place to go. Thought I might as well head home. The crowd at a corner made me pull over to the sweetest little vibe in a while. Select up, play everything. Yeah, I didn't realize it was morning. Ain't nothing like good old dancehall vibes, where the music is just as sweet as the wine, and folks would sing every line. Always that one song that stays on your mind. Yeah. One drink led to another. Hot girl made her intro. Wasn't afraid to say it straight. She popped down. So we don't know how it go when dollars now run. Extension was added to her fund, and every time I thought I had my fill, select time come with another kill. And one move but can't move.
Right now with the move.
Ain't nothing like good old dancehall vibes, where the music is just as sweet as the wine, and folks would sing every line. Always that one song that stays on your mind. Dancing and chilling sometime, sipping on name brand wine. System of bunks and the vibes of flow. Ain't nothing like good old dancehall vibes, where the music is just as sweet as the wine, and folks would sing to every line. Always that one song that stays on your mind. Yeah, I'm gonna pick up the phone, holler at a friend. Gotta share this with someone, 'cause one of them nights, no special place to go. Thought I might as well head home. A crowd at a corner made me pull over to the sweetest little vibe in a while. Selector played everything. I didn't realize it was morning. Ain't nothing like good old dancehall vibes, where the music is just as sweet as the wine, and folks will sing to the first time that I saw you. You got me going.
Can't you see how much I really love you? And I sing it to you time and time again. I ain't much too serious, and I don't wanna let you down. I love, I love, I love, I love you, baby. Don't you know I wanna be your man? So let me love you. Hear you whispering into my ears now, baby. Let me love you. Feel your warm body close to me now, baby. Oh yeah. I ain't much on Casanova. Me and Romeo and Helen and friends, friends. Can't you see how much I really love you? And I sing it to you time and time again. Oh, Casanova, Casanova, I can't let it get away. Oh, baby, Casanova. Oh, yeah, Casanova, can't let it get away. I ain't much too serious, and I don't wanna let you down. I love, I love, I love, I love you, baby. Don't you know I wanna be your man? Let me love you. Hear you whispering inside my ears now, baby. Let me love you. Feel your warm body close to me now, baby. Yeah, baby. I ain't much on Casanova. Me and Romeo and Helen and friends. Can't you see how much I really love you? And I sing it to you time and time again. I know. Oh, God.
King Selassie, no, no, the band is sounding, but they gather themselves against King Selassie. Know that your kingdom a come down, come down. We see the wicked them a run, come, trying to enter your kingdom, but it's too late. Them a go down in a lump sum, in a lump sum. Them love Papa Rasta. When I lead you down Geneva, never take it to Immorta. Behold the leaders of the world for to corruption. They're on corruption, yeah. Rasta man, I warn you, yeah. Politicians fool the people, yeah. Tell you no lie, they're able. We saw the leaders of the world bow down to evil, yes. Rasta man, I warn you, yeah. Tell you the whole damn world's in trouble, yeah. Consumed by their own evil, the falling angels of this world. Now that your kingdom will come down. We see the wicked them and run, come. Trying to enter your kingdom, but it's too late. Them a go down in a lump sum, in a lump sum. Them love Papa Rasta. When I live down Geneva, never take it to Immorta. Behold the leaders of the world for corruption. They're on corruption, yeah.
Don't see their lies. Pick up yourself, be wise. We fit the description and they sending they spies. Why? Ask me why. People look around you, can't you see plans for the demise? 1/5 of us must die. I will show you game aims. I've seen the plan, man. Slowly importing schemes and the dreams inside our brain, hang. Don't get too faint, cause I could just give it bit by bit. Cause life is just too short for the like the big thing. They like us to look upon.
Come down. We see the wicked them and run. Trying to enter your kingdom, but it's too late. Them a go down in a lump sum. Them lump sum. Rasta. When I live down Geneva. Never take it to in words, yeah. Behold the leaders of the world passing corruption. They love corruption. Ah, Lucifer, fi burn, make we hear you say burn, fire burn. Ah, Lucifer, fi burn, make we hear you say burn, fire burn. Kingdom a come down, now we say the fire burn, after burn. The fire burn. Now that your kingdom has come down. We see the wicked them and run. Trying to enter your kingdom, but it's too late. Them a go down in a lump sum. Them a Rasta. When I live down Geneva. Never take it to in words, yeah. Behold the leaders of the world for to corruption. Them now that your kingdom come down. We see the wicked them and run. Trying to enter your kingdom, but it's too late. Them a go down in a lump sum. Them a Rasta. When I reach out down now someone tell me. What know say one day the black man would rule this land, yeah. Them woulda never take away from Mama Africa. Now the hope of the world lies in the hand of a child of a slave. See them blackness where them teach we say our classes has now become the light of hope for the masses. Check the progression, we need a leader with discretion. Martin Luther get the vision, so make we holla. While on the field we put on division. Come make we holla. And cast away on racism. Yo, make we holla. It's about time we live Martin's vision. Yo, make we holla. Cast away our racism. Now the children of slaves are prime ministers. In America, the commander-in-chief, yeah. Now what's the difference between black and white? Why do we still fight? Segregation is not right. From a slave to the highest position in the land, the life of Joseph come again. History can recall mighty men fall, while the leaves stand tall. So make we holla. While on the field we put on division. Come make we holla. And cast away our racism. Yo, make we holla. It's about time we live Martin's vision. Yo, make we holla. Cast away our racism. Segregation now go back. Violence it now go back. Hating now go back. Just believe me, none of them now go back. Politics it now go back. Open your eyes and see just one thing I know, say. The one of them things they now go back. Get it in your brain, you will not go back. Take it from people, not you see ya. They tell you said them things they now go work. I just want this for the future. Hey, so make we holla. While on the field we put on division. Come make we holla. And cast away on racism. Yo, make we holla.
in your boots.
Has changed. No matter what they say, the world has changed. Ride your day, keep the devil away. So they say, so I do it anyway. These are the words I say every day. Before I strap up, I say, yo, Holy Father, the world is on a rampage. And before I step on my door, I bend my knees and pray. Give us strength to make it big today. Tomorrow I'll come with you again. Holy Father, the world is on a rampage. And before I step on my door, I bend my knees and pray. Give us strength to make it big today. Tomorrow I'll come with you again. Click clock, another gunshot. Nothing innocent lose them like Judas. Yeah, the wicked rejoice. Yeah, the wicked rejoice. Still, I won't fear, cause I know clear. Jah got my walk everywhere out there. Yeah, that's why I rejoice. Yeah, my prayer to Jah. Holy Father, the world is on a rampage. And before I step on my door, I bend my knees and pray. Give us strength to make it big today. Tomorrow I'll come with you again. Holy Father, the world is on a rampage. And before I step on my door, I bend my knees and pray. Give us strength to make it big today. Tomorrow I'll come with you again.
It's a daily routine to live in the dream. They simply take hold of our minds. I swear it begins because to lose control of the mind of the people is destruction to the matrix. Then the empire comes tumbling in. You see, we live in the times where evil men be on the rise, making war, taking lives, corrupted leaders, taking bribes. So keeping your soul revived is worth the risk. They'll put you in the twilight zone and you're right back where you
began. Holy Father, the world is on a rampage. And before I step on my door, I bend my knees and pray. Give us strength to make it big today. Tomorrow I'll come with you again. Holy Father, the world is on a rampage. And before I step on my door, I bend my knees and pray. Give us strength to make it big today. Tomorrow I'll come with you again. Yeah. So let it be done. Or if that's what I say, there's no changing. So let it be done. And don't let life become such a burden. So let it be done. Cause there's always a brighter day. You will find it, so let it be done. Let your will be done. Let it be done. Whatever happens in life, it's already ordained. Two roads before you, choose one. Choose one.
Choose one.
There's a destiny at the end of each road. Each road. We can't fight the hand of Jah, so take it as it come higher. Yeah, yeah. Smile in the face of adversity. From your nose say, Jah, you are safe, you see. Cause you can't feel no lower than the floor. For when time you fall, you must rise for sure. In this your day and time, things are harder than hard. Strong up yourself and answer the warrior's call. The inner voice that is within you, the voice of Jah. So let it be done. Or if that's what I say, there's no changing. So let it be done. And don't let life become such a burden. So let it be done. Cause there's always a brighter day. You will find it, so let it be done. Let your will be done. Let it be done. Problems will accumulate. Yeah, be strong and never let the problems dominate your life. Here's a lifelong order. Follow the hand of Jah and you will prosper. And when it seems you can't go no more and things seem like them can't get no better, let go and let Jah let go. So let it be done. Or if that's what Jah say, there's no changing. So let it be done. And don't let life become such a burden. So let it be done. Cause there's always a brighter day. You will find it, so let it be done. Let your will be done. Let it be done.
You can give your all, but to some your all's not good enough. You always give your best, but some are there just to give you stress. Some of them just want more more and more. Never satisfy, want more and more. But I'm the final word, I'm the final word.
Much louder than a rolling thunder, and His presence causing the earth to tremble. Standing in His glory, commanding all mankind be still. He said, hear my voice and do my will. Take up your cross and walk with me. So said this man from Galilee. He said, I'll be there, so have no fear. He said, I'll be there, so have no fear.
Oh, yeah. He said He gave up His life so we can be saved and live in the Father's everlasting light as He did.
Take up your cross and walk with me. So said this man from Galilee. His voice was heard over valleys and mountains, saying, I'll be there, so have no fear. He said, I'll be there, so have no fear.
Standing in His glory, commanding all mankind be still. He said, hear my voice and do my will.
Take up your cross and walk with me. So said this man from Galilee.
I saw His light.
Let go, rushing through the corners of my mind. I can't tell it. Through my darkest cloud, you are my silver light. Oh, yeah. Nevertheless, you surround me with your blessings every day. Oh, yeah. And that is why in these few lines I would really wanna say, hey, girl, your love, and it rings through every beat of my heart. That's why I hope you and I'll never part. Your love, and it rings through every beat of my heart. Yes, yes, every beat of my heart. Yeah, yeah, ring it, yeah. Your love, and it rings through every beat of my heart. That's why I hope you and I'll never part. Your love, and it rings through every beat of my heart. Yes, yes, every beat of my heart. Yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah. Well, life started ever since that we combined and made it one. If loving you is wrong, I swear that I don't wanna be right. No way. Gratitude and comfort, that's all you've given to me. Yeah. That's why I'm expressing all of your needs. made the birds and the bees, sky and the sea. You and me will. Who made the moon and the stars, all creatures great and small. Jah who made them all. Till one take pride in destroying each other, living like savage every day. Ignorance in the spirit is holding us down, but what goes up, I know it must come down. Cause tribal war won't stop the problem. Only love of the heart can solve them. Hate and grudge can't stop the problem. Only love of the heart can solve them. Oh yeah. Wanna make no tough issues affecting my people, leading them to evil. Hate and grudge, despise and dishonesty. Tell you that's not the way we wanna be. Wanna bring back the days when your love was down on earth. Wanna bring back those days when the heart of man was purged. What we need is love to guide us along the way. It don't matter what they say, I know tribal war can solve the problem. Only love of the heart can solve it. Tribal war won't stop the problem. Only love of the heart can solve it. Oh yeah. What we need is love to guide us along the way. Ooh, well, Lord, the heart of man could be like the grave.